So how excited you are today?
Very excited.
Very excited.
This is the first time this is how much would this be? Let me see on strength.
So today is Ammu's 19th birthday and he's attempting 200 kg with knee reps. The first attempt is of 185 and then we'll move forward to 200. Right, Ammu?
Yes.
Okay. So how's your feeling right now?
170 moved a little bit hard, but I think 185 is doable.
He recently has done stable. He recently has done 180
Wait.
in powerlifting competition without knee reps. But today,
Let's go. I think I can do 185 raw as well right now.
okay, let's see. I'm hoping as well that
This will go easy. With knee
yeah,
reps
with
is
the
gonna-
knee reps, it's gonna go slightly easy. For sure, knee reps gonna help for a slightly bounce. Come on, Ammu.
Yeah.
Come on, go. The weight on the barbell is 185 right now. That was too easy. 185 moved too easy with knee reps.
Was that good?
Yeah, it was too good.
When I came here for warm up.
What?
That moves smoother than 140 when I came here for warm up.
Okay. Yeah, knee reps helps. And this one is actually a good knee reps. Now we'll go for 200.
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Let's
And everyone needs like 5 minutes rest.
take it.
Yeah.
So today's deal is that if he made 200 today, then he will only get beaten by slippers and sandals. And if he's not able to make it, then he will get beaten by belts. It's his deal with his weightlifting team members, not with me. I'm not gonna beat him for sure.
Aw.
Okay. Let's see. I guess knee reps gave him slightly more confidence.
They're overpowered, man. This is just stupid.
Yes. So finally now he's ready for 200. अच्छे से rep करना.
Yes. I think you do this one. You do this one. Make
Last
it as
time
tight
अच्छे
as
से नहीं
possible.
किया था?
I think the left one was a bit not as tight as the right one. And then, I mean, nothing happened because it's still lightweight for me, but still.
Oh. Oh.
I've done 185 in the past. With knee reps, but still.
10 here. This day. Come on, bro. Now finally the wait is over. Let's go for 200. Come on! So he just failed 200. Now he's getting back into 190, and I don't think it's impressive because he has done 180 without knee reps.
So what do you think I should do? 190.
190 today.
190. After failing 200, see, I could have gone
Yes.
195 on the first attempt, but I wasn't too ambitious.
So he's turning into 19 and he's going to attempt 190. So 19-year-old boy attempting 190 kg back squat. quite impressive, but not for his body weight kind of it. Okay, he's almost 105 kg. He's a big elephant.
Prime example when you take the bird too. And then I can finish that top part easily. But yeah.
Just tearing your outfit.
The best thing about his lift is that he knows how he has to drop the weight after failing the attempt. So that's the very good part.
I think Delhi in the spot is like one of the
That's
most
why I'm
important.
pretty sure with his attempt, even though if he's going heavy. So that makes me confidence as well that I don't gonna do any shit here.
There will be no.
Yeah, that gives both a security that their friends will know how to handle the weights even though they are failing.
There will be no death case today.
Okay, so
Tragic story of 19-year-old boy attempting 190 kg.
So it's 190 kg for his last attempt. Let's make it, boy. Come on. Up, boy. Yes. Good one. So finally, it's done with 190. Today, Ammu. So is there anything you want to say? Leave it with me.
I should have gone for 195 first.
Then 200 will become more tough.
No, I won't do 200. No, I'll just do 190.
Then you have to like
Yeah.
decide.
This is an ego thing issue. Even I knew in the back of my head that 200 is such a big jump. It's okay.
आज Sunday है. Because
It's my birthday.
It's his birthday.
बर्थडे है
Mine.
हैप्पी बर्थडे
Thanks.
पार्टी कब मिल रहा है
Huh?
पार्टी अभी
Yeah, when everyone else comes.
रात को पार्टी मिलेगी.
What? Oh, yeah.
सारे बच्चे जो भी वेट लिफ्टिंग टीम मेंबर्स हैं आज बेल्ट लेके आएंगे.
वो भी
So Saurabh will be also there.
I'm fucked now. I messed up.
So सिम्बा तो बहुत एक्साइटेड होगा आज. पता नहीं कौन सी बेल्ट लेके आएगा वो. क्या मरते. Okay, so that's it for the day.
See you both.
It was a good, but
What?
मेरे ख्याल से 200 हो जाना चाहिए था नीरव के साथ. Yes,
Really?
I was pretty sure about that, but
I think after maxing out so recently, I think it was a bad idea. Should have waited for a bit
because
longer.
185 moved quite easily.
185. Yeah, I know.
And
See, that's what Neerabs do. They give you false confidence. Because in the hole, they give you so much support, but they don't give you much support after the hole.
And even though in 200 your depth was more as compared to 185.
I know. I think I went too deep. I was trying to make sure I didn't.
But yeah, that's good thing that I like it, the depth of the squat. Okay.
I tried too hard to impress everybody. That ended up being my failure.
So we are done today.
Okay.
Bye.